Hello everybody. In this video lecture, you will be learning about creating inventory masters in Tally ERP9, focusing on what is meant by stock group, what is the purpose of stock group, and why it is maintained in Tally. First, open Tally and create a company. We shall create the name of the company as Creating Inventory Masters. Creating Inventory Masters. After entering all necessary details, click Ctrl A. Now the company Creating Inventory Masters is created. In Tally ERP9, it integrates the inventory and accounting systems to the financial statements so that the financial statements can reflect the closing stock value from the inventory system which is maintained by Tally. So let us see that. Go back to Gateway of Tally menu by pressing Escape. Here, Gateway of Tally menu, we are having Inventory Info, Masters Inventory Info. By default, if you are not able to view this inventory info, then we need to go to F11 features. The purpose is to activate or invoke inventory info. So by pressing F11 and then inventory features, F2, if you observe, so not F2, F1, accounts. If you observe here, maintain accounts only. If we keep here no, then integration of accounts and inventory will be taken place, so that will be reflecting in the financial statements. The inventory information will be reflected in the financial statements. In case if we are keeping yes for maintain accounts only, then the inventory values, the inventory information will not be reflected in the financial statements. So we need to keep, when the firm is with regard to maintaining stock items, then they need to go for integrate accounts and inventory. As we have already in integrate accounts and inventory, press escape and go back. Now, Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info. In order to create stock groups, first go into inventory info. The path to reach inventory info menu is Gateway of Tally, Inventory Info. Gateway of Tally, then inventory info. So clicking on inventory info or by selecting hotkey I, we will be navigated to inventory info menu. Here we are able to see stock groups, stock items, unit of measure, voucher type, copy allocations, quit. These are the various options which are available under inventory info. As in this particular session we are dealing with stock groups, let us know what is meant by a stock group. These stock groups provided to help the classification of stock items. Classification is done based on some of the common behavior. That is nothing but grouping of stock items. The purpose is to identify and report them clearly in the statements. Let us take an example. Now. Here we are having stock item, stock group, unit of measure. Sony, LG, Lenovo and Dell. There are 4 different types of stocks. The groups, these are stock items. Sony 25 inches, Sony 29 inches, LG 25 inches, like that, these are stock items. Whereas stock groups, Sony TV, LG TV, Lenovo laptop and Dell laptop. So this stock group, Sony TV is a stock group under which the stock items are maintained. In the same manner, LG TV is stock group. So all LG TV products are grouped under the single head, that is stock group. In the same manner with Lenovo laptop and Dell laptop. So let us see how to create stock group. The pathway to create the stock group is gateway of Tally, inventory info, then stock group, and select single stock group. Here in the name field, we are in the stock group creation screen. Here in the name field, we need to enter the stock group name. Let us see the stock group. Sony TV is a stock group. Sony TV. Sony TV is stock group. Under, keep it as primary. Should quantities of items be added? Yes. We need to keep it as yes, so that we can enter number of units while creating vouchers. That we'll be seeing in the upcoming sessions. And then accept, yes. Press enter in order to accept. So Sony TV has been created. Now in the same manner, create LG TV. This also comes under the primary. Quantities be added? Yes. Accept? Yes. And then next we are having Lenovo laptop. Lenovo laptop. This also comes under the primary. Keep it yes. Then we are having Dell laptop. Dell laptop. Keep it yes. So we have created the 4 different stock groups, that is Sony TV, LG TV, Lenovo laptop and Dell laptop. Now go and check what are the stock groups which we have created. Press escape. Here if we observe, display option is invoked. As we have created the stock groups, the display option is invoked. Here you are supposed to remember that as in case of ledgers, we are having predefined ledger groups. The stock groups are not predefined. We need to create. The user, according to the requirement, need to create the stock groups. So let us view the stock groups which we have created. Select display. So 4 different stock groups we have created, that is Dell laptop, Lenovo laptop, LG TV and Sony TV. Now if we want to make any alterations, any modifications to these stock groups, that can be done. How? By selecting alter. Here under primary, I would like to give all laptops under single head. So here press Alt C. Here press Alt C. Once I am repeating, when the cursor has reached to the under field, press Alt C in your keyboard. Alt plus C. Then stock group creation secondary. This is called as secondary creation of stock group. Here give it as laptop. Give it as laptop. Give it as primary itself. Quantities added, yes. Accept, yes. Now if we observe, Dell laptop is under laptop. Accept, press enter to accept, yes. In the same manner, I want to keep Lenovo laptop also under the laptop group. In order to alter it, in the same procedure, make necessary changes as we have done for Dell laptop. Here under field need to select the laptop which you have created. Now I want to alter LG TV and as well as Sony TV under the single head, that is television. Then to alter it, select LG TV in the list of stock groups. Under field, here again we have to create television stock group, that is secondary creation of stock group. The shortcut key for secondary creation is Alt C, Alt plus C. Television. Quantities added, yes. Enter yes. Now I want to alter even Sony TV also under the head, that is television. So select television. Sony TV is to be selected. In the under field, select television. Accept yes. Sorry, here the television name is to be altered again. It is wrongly entered. So in order to alter even the name field like that, select television and give the correct name. So now all the necessary modifications have been done. Press escape, go back to inventory info. Now let us recap once again about stock group. In order to create the stock group, the pathway is gateway of tally. Observe the pointer, gateway of tally, then inventory info, stock groups, create and enter the necessary fields. To view the stock items stock groups created, gateway of tally, inventory info, stock groups and display. In order to alter gateway of tally, inventory info, under stock group, we need to select alter and then select the necessary stock group to be altered or modified and then make necessary changes and accept. So students, this is the purpose of creating or maintaining stock groups in Tally. Hope you might have understood the purpose of creation of stock group. In the upcoming video lecture, we will be dealing with creation of unit of measure followed by creation of stock items. Thank you.